This tutorial is to explain very briefly how Adobe Photoshop works with images. Adobe Photoshop uses a method which is called Raster graphics. If we zoom in to any Adobe Photoshop image, we will see that the image consists of tiny squares filled with color, and each square is filled with one color. Now these small squares are called pixels, and all these pixels together are called the raster. The advantage of using raster graphics is that you can edit the color in each pixel individually. So let's take a pencil tool here, and you can fill each pixel with the color you wish. So if you want another color, you can change it. And so basically you can edit the smallest details of your image pixel by pixel. This method gives you total control of the image. You can do anything you like. But the disadvantage of raster graphics is that Photoshop files are very heavy, because Photoshop stores the information about the color of each individual pixel, and you have 16 million colors, so Photoshop has to store one of 16 million possibilities in thousands and thousands of pixels, and so Photoshop files tend to be very heavy. They require a lot of memory. The quality of a Photoshop image is measured by its resolution. You can find the resolution here under image size. Okay, so it is here, and now our current resolution is 300 pixels per inch. This means that in each inch you have 300 pixels. So one pixel is 1/300th of an inch wide and tall. Now obviously, the more pixels you have in an inch, the smaller the pixels are. And the smaller the pixels are, the smaller detail they can describe. So increasing the resolution increases the quality of the image. But it also increases dramatically the memory that is needed for storing this file. So if we have a resolution of 300 pixels per inch, then that means that in 1 square inch we have 300 by 300, which is 90,000 pixels. However, and look, the size of the file is 8 point something megabyte. Now if we increase the resolution 10 times, we see that the file size increases 100 times. So now in 1 square inch we have 3000 by 3000, which is 9 million pixels. And so therefore increasing the resolution like 2 times increases the file quality 2 times, but it also increases the file size 4 times. So now let us decrease the resolution really dramatically. Let's make it just 3 pixels. Let's check resample here and see what will happen to the image. So as you see, because you just have 3 pixels per inch, so each pixel is just 1/3 of an inch wide and tall. And so these large pixels, they cannot describe the small details in the image, so you're losing all the details by decreasing the resolution. And the bad thing about it is that if you go back to image size and resample it back again and say 300 pixels per inch again, so you see the pixels got smaller, but you lost all the information about the colors of individual pixels that you had. So once you lose this information, you cannot recover it anymore. So you have to work from the beginning in the size and in the resolution that you need for your image. The basic thing for you to remember is that the resolution for screen, for web images, is usually 72 pixels, and the resolution for print is 300 pixels per inch, and the resolution for very, very high quality print, which has like very small details, maybe some very fine graphics, there you might need about 1200 pixels per inch. So that's basically all I wanted to tell you about raster graphics and image resolution. Thank you very much.